I'm going to make a video about heating. So generally, if it's UV printer, the table is supposed to be cold. If eco solvent has sublimation, the table is supposed to be hot. Okay. So first of all, how you make it hot? There are several settings. This one is decided. If it's supposed to be always, means all the time. Printing means only starting to heat up when it's printing. Okay, depends on your situation. If you use always, but you leave the machine whole day, you use a lot of electricity for nothing. Okay, then another setting is at the setup menu. You can also press the right key for the maintenance menu and the setup. Press here for setup menu. Then you can go to the heating. Where is it? Okay. Then you have the front. Front means this side. Then you can change different level. So it means how hot it is. Bigger number, more hot. Okay, press don't touch. Behind it means the back side. So actually, when you printing surface, they do not hot. So the heat up the paper, dry the ink. Heat up the paper, dry the ink. Behind, front. Okay, it's also how hot it is. And generally, if it's very hot, the medium starting to wobble. If less hot, they probably take a longer time to dry. Depends on your room temperature, you decide yourself.